Yeah, skeezers. So I'm en route. I'm gonna go to number 13, which is a little cafe down the road, get a sandwich. Then I'm gonna head over to the train station. I'm gonna get the train to Shoreham, and then I'm gonna fish Shoreham today. We're gonna get the afternoon tide in because I missed the morning one. So like normally I'd go into Scotty's, but they're shut. So Young Feng, they do squid and other fish baits. So that is literally the go-to place when Scotty's is shut. Oh, my brethren.
Telling me you good, yeah?
Yeah, you good? How? Sweet. Right, we're at the arm now. It's quite low, but doesn't mean there's not going to be any fish. Just got to stay up to Mystic. Nice log, and then a little bit of squid tipped, hoping for a bass or a really big place.
Got about 30
Little bit of fishy-ishy action straight off the bat, innit?
Yeah, man, that's what you want.
Come on. What do you reckon, a Plaice or something?
Yeah, probably.
Looks like it's got a nice little bit of weight to it though.
Straight away. It literally was there for like 5 minutes. That's what I'm talking about. It does have a bit of weight to it, to be fair, I'll give you that.
It's got quite a kick to it though.
Well, there you go, big place.
Yeah, that's a nice place.
There you go, give me a nice one here. Look, it's actually quite.
Bruv, what is that? Oh, nice. Fucking hell. Jesus Christ. Man's got a double bubble and it's actually, they're both fat as well, bruv.
Not bad.
Come on. They're both keepers, mate.
Yeah, no, alright as well. Yeah, no, they're both alright, aren't they? Two nice ones.
Nice.
Yeah, that's alright. See that, mate? Give. It's alright, isn't it?
What was that on, bruv?
Just lugs, man.
Come on. What, just two fresh?
Yeah, too fresh. So that's only 34s. This one's bigger though, I think. Oh, 34s as well. They're chunky though, aren't they?
Yeah, they're quite fat ones.
Yeah, man.
Nice. Well done, mate.
I'm now going to give Jay a bit of deja vu.
Oh, God.
£10 for the next fish. You want to do it? Big money where your mouth is, son.
Fuck it. Go on then. I'll say nothing.
Game on. Wait for that right rod.
Oh yeah, you've got two rods though, innit?
Wait for the right rod. Right.
Alright, say nothing. He's already had a double hook up first cast.
Could be the first cast curse, so you never know.
I don't want to have another blank. Last time I came here I blanked.
Cast
Cast off? I'm going first.
right rod. I said you owe me a tenner, dickhead.
If you've got a fish.
I've got a fish, yeah. Come off.
Do you reckon it's just a smaller place?
Yeah, probably. Mine and beyond. Yeah, definitely felt like it was when I started trying.
Well, I'm hoping you catch nothing, but for content's sake, it probably would be better if you did. Bruv, have you got a fish? Fuck. Yeah, fair play. It's at 3 now, isn't it? 3-0, mate. Out of 10 fish care, mate.
Always. It's another one.
Cool, 3-0.
Yeah, how it is today. It's not looking good for you, but
I've just whacked on half a squid, not even that, a quarter.
Oh, look how nicely hit she is as well.
Lovely.
Nice. See what he's measuring. Nice, 32s. Nice. Just want to say that does prove that hilly rigs work every single time without fail. So let me know what sort of fish you guys are looking to catch. I'll make up the rigs and I'll let the fishing do the talking.
So we're packing up. I've blanked. It's the new normal at the moment. Aiden's caught 4 today. We're going to go to mine, do a little barbecue at the place as well. Isn't it, Drew?
Yes. Makes sense. Why not? So what you want to do, I tend to usually poke it around the side and tend to just make my way up here. One, it keeps most of the meat around the head. Two, it makes it a lot easier when it comes to getting those guts out, as you can probably see. Just trim these last little edges. Get all that muck out there. You're inside now, nothing, just give them a little rinse. And that's all good.
Right, let's get this barbecue started then, lads.
Fucking right.
Come on. Right, so this is the finished product.
Let me get a little taste test. Let's try it out. Nice. Nice. Yeah, it's good. Tastes fresh. Well seasoned.
What
you saying, Jay? Let me try
Yeah, it's banging, mate, to be fair.
Big old fatty bit here, bro.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I just want pure white meat.
Oh, mate, that's lovely. You like fish even, yeah? I like this fish. You like all sorts of fish, mate. Oh yeah, these bacons need to come
Man's not
on.
even too keen on fish like that, but watch this.
It's not got loads of flavour in it. It's not fishy.
Yeah, dang.
Unreal.
Lemon juice. Rub it on the lemon.
Oh, yeah, that still.
Big up Hilly for that.
Come on, every time.
Big up hills. And fish.
But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.
200 subscribers, we'll take a subscriber out fishing with us.
Yeah,
we'll pay for your bait, we'll sort your rod and reel for the day.
And we'll catch you a fish, mate. You
Come
know
with
what I mean?
us, tell us what you want to catch and we'll take you somewhere local where we can catch similar sort of species, if not that.
Come on.
Yeah. Nothing stupid. I ain't gonna catch you a tuna. But I'll catch you some stuff, trust me. Wrap it up.
Peace.